Amplifier Marshall VALVESTATE 40 volts. If your Marshall VALVESTATE 40 volts power switch is defective in the latching function and therefore does not remain switched on, proceed as follows. 1. Disconnect the device from the mains. 2. Open the device using the 4 black screws from the housing. 3. Remove the electronics. Please act carefully as a tube is installed. 4. Locate the power button. 5. Very carefully open the power switch on the 4 metal clips on the front panel. 6. Carefully remove the power switch elements and check them for wear. Be careful, there are 3 small springs in the switch. 7. The curved rail is often affected by wear and runs round, exactly where the guide needle should rest. Therefore, restore the curved path by carefully adjusting and cutting by creating a new level to support the needle. 8. Clean and grease switch elements, then disassemble everything and put it together in the reverse order as before. Complete.